Vocabularies phrases. Number 1 High School វិទ្យាល័យ Number 2 Upper Secondary School មធ្យមសិក្សាទុតិយភូមិវិទ្យាល័យ Number 3 Lower Secondary School មធ្យមសិក្សាបឋមភូមិអនុវិទ្យាល័យ Conversation about a school. Conversation about a school សន្ទនាអំពីសាលារៀនមួយខ្នង What school did you go to? What school did you go to? តើអ្នកបានទៅរៀននៅសាលាអ្វី I went to Millennium High School, founded in 1999. I went to Millennium High School, founded in 1999. ខ្ញុំបានចូលរៀននៅវិទ្យាល័យ Millennium ដែលបង្កើតឡើងក្នុងឆ្នាំ1999 Where is the school located? Where is the school located? តើសាលាស្ថិតនៅត្រង់ណា It's located in New York City, United States. It's located in New York City, United States. វាមានទីតាំងនៅទីក្រុងញូវយ៉កសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិក Do you like the architecture of the school? Do you like the architecture of the school? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តស្ថាបត្យកម្មរបស់សាលាទេ Yes, I do. The architecture is not really impressive, but I like it that the building's architects left plenty of space for lounging. Yes, I do. The architecture is not really impressive, but I like it that the building's architects left plenty of space for lounging. បាទខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តស្ថាបត្យកម្មពិតជាមិនគួរឲ្យចាប់អារម្មណ៍ទេប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តវាដែលស្ថាបត្យករនៃអគារទុកកន្លែងទំនេរច្រើនសម្រាប់បន្ទប់ឈប់សម្រាក What are the teachers like? What are the teachers like? តើលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូមានលក្ខណៈបែបណា Most of the teachers there are helpful and friendly. I especially like Mr. Mai, my physics teacher. Most of the teachers there are helpful and friendly. I especially like Mr. Mai, my physics teacher. គ្រូភាគច្រើននៅទីនោះចេះជួយគ្នានិងរួសរាយរាក់ទាក់ជាពិសេសខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តលោកម៉ាយដែលជាគ្រូបង្រៀនរូបវិទ្យារបស់ខ្ញុំ How long have you spent there? How long have you spent there? តើអ្នកបានចំណាយពេលនៅទីនោះប៉ុន្មាន I have spent 3 years of upper secondary school there. I have spent 3 years of upper secondary school there. ខ្ញុំបានចំណាយពេល3ឆ្នាំនៃវិទ្យាល័យនៅទីនោះ Is that a single sex school? Is that a single sex school? តើនោះជាសាលាមានភេទតែមួយមែនទេ No, it isn't. This is a unisex school. No, it isn't. This is a unisex school. ទេវាមិនមែនទេនេះគឺជាសាលាទាំងពីរភេទ Do you like the school uniform? Do you like the school uniform? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តឯកសណ្ឋានសាលាទេ? We don't wear uniforms at school, actually. We don't wear uniforms at school, actually. តាមពិតយើងមិនពាក់ឯកសណ្ឋាននៅសាលាទេ Why do you enjoy the time there? Why do you enjoy the time there? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នករីករាយនឹងពេលវេលានៅទីនោះ? Although I had to deal with quite a heavy workload, I enjoy the relaxing atmosphere when hanging out with friends in the cafeteria there. Although I had to deal with quite a heavy workload, I enjoy the relaxing atmosphere when hanging out with friends in the cafeteria there. ទោះបីជាខ្ញុំត្រូវប្រឈមមុខនឹងបន្ទុកការងារដ៏ធ្ងន់ធ្ងរក៏ដោយខ្ញុំរីករាយនឹងបរិយាកាសសម្រាកកាយពេលដើរលេងជាមួយមិត្តភ័ក្តិនៅក្នុងអាហារដ្ឋាននៅទីនោះ What important lesson did you learn from school? What important lesson did you learn from school? តើអ្នកបានរៀនមេរៀនសំខាន់អ្វីខ្លះពីសាលា? I learned how to work in a group in which there are many friends coming from different cultures. That's the lesson of cooperation. I learned how to work in a group in which there are many friends coming from different cultures. That's the lesson of cooperation. ខ្ញុំបានរៀនពីរបៀបធ្វើការជាក្រុមដែលក្នុងនោះមានមិត្តភ័ក្តិជាច្រើនដែលមានវប្បធម៌ផ្សេងគ្នានោះជាមេរៀននៃកិច្ចសហប្រតិបត្តិការ Will you recommend that school to others? Will you recommend that school to others? តើអ្នកនឹងណែនាំសាលានោះដល់អ្នកដទៃទេ? Yes, of course. I'm proud to recommend Millennium High School to anyone who is searching for a good place to learn. Yes, of course. I'm proud to recommend Millennium High School to anyone who is searching for a good place to learn. បាទចាស់វាពិតណាស់ខ្ញុំមានមោទនភាពក្នុងការណែនាំវិទ្យាល័យ Millennium ដល់នរណាម្នាក់ដែលកំពុងស្វែងរកកន្លែងល្អដើម្បីរៀន Vocabularies phrases Number 1 High School វិទ្យាល័យ Number 2 Upper Secondary School មធ្យមសិក្សាទុតិយភូមិវិទ្យាល័យ Number 3 Lower Secondary School មធ្យមសិក្សាបឋមភូមិអនុវិទ្យាល័យ Number 4 Space for Lounging កន្លែងទំនេរសម្រាប់ឈប់សម្រាក Number 5 Helpful ដែលចេះជួយគ្នា Number 6 School Uniform ឯកសណ្ឋានសាលារៀន Number 7 Relaxing Atmosphere បរិយាកាសសម្រាកកាយ Number 8 Recommend ណែនាំ Number 9 Important lesson មេរៀនសំខាន់ Thank you